Hello everyone, this is from redprint.com, and I will show you today how you print this amazing object. First, download the project, and choose the position. I chose medium speed, now I need wait about 40 minutes. I can take this opportunity to talk about the new store. Now you can buy your 3D filaments at the best price. It's simple, fast and easy to buy, and the shipping is free for all products. For now, this service is only available for the United States. Let's wait until the object be ready. It's finished. The printer did a great job for the medium quality option. The final look is good. Take a look at redprint.com now, with store available.